Hey everybody, it's Reese back with you, back with episode 8 of Retro Tech. And today we're featuring this old Syncmaster, I think it says, yeah, this old Syncmaster VGA monitor. And you're probably wondering what it's connected to and why it's showing a Linux Mint logo, which is it's connected to this laptop right here, which is a HP Linux Mint laptop that I reconditioned. I featured it in one of the first 7 episodes of Retro Tech. I'm not necessarily sure which one, but if you're wondering how it's connected to this through this laptop dock. It's on the back of this laptop right here, and it serves as this ThinkMaster serves as a secondary monitor to this laptop right here. As I said, I originally had problems with the laptop and the monitor getting it synced together because it was basically split the screen in half. But I finally fixed those problems, and as you can see with the laptop closed, it serves the main monitor. Now, when I open it back up, like I said, screen's all fixed and everything, and it serves as a secondary monitor when I'm sitting here doing a dev work or anything like that on it. I will be setting up a Linux only network soon with all of this as part of my exploration of network security and things of that nature before I take my Net Plus and Security Plus and A Plus exams. I'll be kicking things like this around. Linux is a great tool for open source, programming and things of that nature, and just testing stuff out. Had this ThinkMaster monitor for about maybe, I want to say, let's see, I got it probably in 2012, somewhere in there. So it's about going on 11 years old or so, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. From a place called Geeks.com. Geeks is now shut down now, but it's where you could get cheap hardware, cheap tech at a good price. It still worked. It was a refurbished monitor, so that's why it's still VGA and all of that stuff. Like I said, the monitor's pretty damn old. It probably got manufactured somewhere like 2009 or somewhere there. It's about a good 14, 15 years old or so. Anyway, it comes in handy when you have, quick stuff that you want to hook it up to and a laptop like this without having to disconnect something or, bend pins or things like that. Because, using my main monitors or something for it, it could have gotten, since this laptop doesn't have a quick HDMI port, and you still have to screw in those VGA cables. You remember how that goes. It's such a pain to get it all lined up and screwed in properly. But this old monitor came in handy. See, this is why I call it retro tech, finding old, new uses for old tech, as I always say. And this is a prime example of a new use for some old tech. I said, this laptop could use a secondary monitor since I'm so used to working with 2 monitors on everything right now. So I was like, oh, that's right. I have an old VGA monitor sitting around, not doing anything. So you just hook that up, quickly connect it to the laptop, and bam, you have a secondary monitor. As I said, this is the old Syncmaster. I think that's 740. Yeah, Syncmaster is 740. So, like I said, if you have any old tech laying around, I'm sure you can find it. Techies would know, or nerds would know. You can always find a use for old tech. And this is one of those prime examples. Taking an old monitor and or display and hooking it up to something else old that it fits to and finding a new use for both. Because, like I said, these old laptops come in handy for hacking and programming open source stuff and making what's old new again, since I'm never one to throw tech away. and always finding new uses for it. Anyway, that wraps up this short little episode of Retro Tech, the Retro Tech podcast, as I said, finding new uses for old tech. Thanks everybody for listening and or watching. I'm Reese for Home and Business Solutions Tech. Take care, stay safe, be kind. I'll see you in the next one.